Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm showing you how to make incredible, juicy kebabs using simple ingredients. And the secret twist is, we're using flour tortillas, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and absolutely packed with flavor. Let's start cooking. Now, grate 1 medium onion, 1 bell pepper, 1 tomato, garlic, and cilantro. This keeps the meat juicy and gives it that real kebab aroma. In a large bowl, add your ground meat. You can use beef, lamb, or a mix of both. Add salt, black pepper, paprika, cumin, and a pinch of coriander. If you like heat, add a little chili or red pepper flakes. Mix everything really well. Now here comes the magic. Cut the edges of a flour tortilla to make it look square. The tortilla absorbs the juices, keeps the kebab soft, and creates that beautiful layered texture. Layer the tortillas with the ground meat. The 5 layers of meat and 6 layers of tortillas are enough to get the right shape of kebab. You need skewers for this. The mixture holds its shape perfectly. Now cut it into long kebabs. Just make long, even rectangles. Place each kebab onto a parchment-lined tray. Try to make them the same size so they cook evenly. If you want restaurant-style grill shine, lightly splash a veggie oil across the top. You can fry it in a pan or bake it in an oven. I am making it in the air fryer. Place the kebab in the air fryer. Air fry them for around 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, flipping halfway. You can fry it in a pan. Flip them carefully when the bottom is brown and crispy. Cook all sides until the kebabs are fully cooked through. or bake them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 20 minutes. No matter which method you choose, they turn out amazing every time. Serve them on a bed of onions, fresh cilantro, and sliced tomatoes. Add lemon wedges on the side for that bright, fresh flavor. But honestly, they taste incredible just on their own. Dip them in garlic, yogurt, mayo, and paprika sauce, or your favorite spicy dip. If you love this recipe, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more delicious ideas. These kebabs are so simple, so juicy, and perfect for any day of the week. Let me know in the comments if you want more tortilla-based recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.